At Grundfos, wastewater from production lines is treated on site at a local wastewater treatment plant and then reused into production. This is done as a part of UN Sustainability Goal 6 and greatly limits the amount of fresh water used in production. At a local wastewater treatment plant, a local service engineer oversees this process. As a tool, he uses a mixed reality headset with an application that provides him with direct access to live system data, right where he needs it. The application tells him about flows and pressure, concentration of bacteria and chemicals, alerts and alarms, and much more. He uses the application both to monitor and diagnose the system, but he also uses it if he runs into a problem where he needs additional expert support. Using Voice over IP, he contacts an off-site expert that can support the local engineer through a 3D model of the system. The expert can send guides or plans that can be accessed through the mixed reality headset, or he can guide him via live video feed. The local engineer can also send pictures or documents to the expert for review. If need be, the expert can join the engineer via virtual reality and emerge in a true multi-user experience to locate and solve the issue encountered. Once solved, both engineer and expert can continue with their local tasks without having wasted either fuel or time on traveling.